So let's begin for making this translate transform and this scale transform, as we are drawing this graphics from left top corner. As a default starting point for this drawing is from left top corner, so we wanted to make from bottom and left corner, how we used to draw from on the paper. So considering this paper, we are going to apply this logic for the scaling and transformation for this panel. So now in this graphics, we call this from this event arguments, we are reading this object and assigning to this G. So before creating graphics, we'll be calling this method for translate transform. Here I will be passing my left bottom, let's just say starting from this first parameter 0, and how much is the height for excluding this padding and this border, top border and this bottom border. So that value I have to give. So here I'll be giving this panel drawing and this client size and the height. So I'll passing this height. And next one is for the scaling. Again, for the x and y coordinates I'll be giving 1 and the -1 for the scaling transformation. So g dot scale transform will be passing here 1 comma -1. Now what this impacting on my graphics? So previously it was a drawing from this left top corner. Now this coordinates whichever we're providing, it will be starting from the bottom size. I'm running, and now let's see how it impacts. So first of all, now put this for the line parameters. Let's say it is starting from 2, and y1 is also 2, and x2, let's say give this something 120, and for the y2 also make it 2. So from here this line should start and it should end around here. So I'm selecting this line graphics from the drop down. Look at this, so it is almost touching to this border. So let's make it this 5, and then this is something 200 and make this 5. So now if I will be reselecting this line from this drop down, it should be upward little bit and towards the right little bit. So you can see, and this almost crossing this size of this graphics. So this is how it can, again if I change this to the 100 and if I reselect, it should be reduced. If I make this something around 170, the impact should be accordingly be drawn here. Same for the circle. If I give this starting from this 10 and then this y also 10 and width and height 100. If I'm selecting the circle should get drawn from here.